Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Franzaroni-Stratton at HVS Advanced Dental Care. We're located in Shelby Township, Michigan, and I wanted to talk today about the difference between crowns, different types of crowns. I had a patient the other day come in and say, I saw your video about how people get dark lines around their crowns. I'm not getting a crown like that today, am I? And I said, no, actually you're going to be getting a zirconia fused to porcelain crown, which you'll be able to see. And a porcelain fused zirconia crown is all nice and white. The inside is made out of zirconia substructure, which we know in dentistry is one of the most biocompatible materials known to us in dentistry. And that's important to us, and it's important to you. Important to us because we want to give all of our patients the most biocompatible materials that we're aware of. Also important because a lot of our holistic patients are looking for that. So that's why it's important for everybody that we're using this type of crown. We get a lot of questions about, is it a CEREC crown? No, this is actually a crown fabricated by a laboratory. The CEREC machine is not able to fabricate a zirconia crown yet because we know that zirconia is extremely hard. It's an extremely hard material. It's actually harder than metal, but it's more aesthetic, it's more cosmetic looking, so you won't get those dark lines at the gum line that sometimes you see when people have crowns. It looks more natural, it's more translucent looking, so it looks more like natural teeth, and also it's much more biocompatible. So you can see with all zirconia crown that it's all nice and white and tooth colored inside and out. In contrast to that, we have a porcelain fused to metal crown, which has been the gold standard in dentistry for years and years and years. And we don't really place those anymore. We can if somebody requests them. But a porcelain fused to metal crown has a metal substructure to it. So when we do place a porcelain fused to metal crown, we use high noble metals. Those metals that we use are silver, platinum, palladium, and gold. So they are high noble metal, but some patients don't want that because it's not as biocompatible as the zirconia crowns. And also there's always a risk that we run of having that black line that you can see at that gum line. So those are the differences between the two types of crowns. There's always gold crowns, the full gold crowns that some people, you know, I'm sure most of you have seen a full gold crown. It's gold colored. Those we can do if people request them. Some people still want us to use a full gold crown, and that's fine, and we can do that as well. But our standard at our office now is the porcelain fused to zirconia or a full zirconia crown because of the biocompatibility. So if you have any questions about crowns or anything else about holistic dentistry or biocompatible dentistry, please give us a call at our office at 248-652-0024.